Hi, so this is the close-up of how you actually rig the bottle. So you put the stopper on the end of the bike air tube. You put it in there and there's two nails. They sit right there like a little bridge across the two lower blocks. That's the release rope. And then you take the U-shaped pin and you put it into the two holes. They have little black circles around them. And they go across on either side of the neck of the bottle. And this takes a little wiggling, but you want it to go on top of the little wider rim that goes around the mouth end of the bottle and also comes out two holes on the other side. And you have to kind of push the pins into place so that they go out the two black circled holes on the other side of the launcher. That's sort of what I'm doing here with my hands, kind of trying to position it. So the red arrow shows that it's over the rim. The green arrow shows that it's going through the holes on the far side of the launcher. And that pin is what holds the stopper in the bottle until you're ready to launch and pull it out.